Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing a fall look that's perfect for hooded eyes. As you can see, it's perfect on me. Well, I think it is. And if it doesn't fit you, might want to tweak it. So the first thing we're going to need is a eyeshadow that's either like goldish or yellow. And the palette I'm going to be using is the Rainbow by the Violet Boss. The second palette I'm going to be using is Reina del Caribe by Alamar Cosmetics. We're going to be using that dark red there, that brown, and that lighter orange color. So you're also going to need a fluffy brush and a small detail brush to get underneath your eye, maybe the corner of your inner eye. Also make sure to have primer on. I already have primer, and we're going to apply it to the inner corner, outer corner, and the outer, the inner V right there. So I'm going to reach in the Buttercup from Violet Voss, and we're going to apply that to the front of the eye, the inner corner, the front corners. So I'm just going to pat it on there, and then I'm just going to blend it out. And blending is always a back and forth motion and circular motion. If you want to have like a really pigmented color, just keep on packing that color. So just blend it out. You don't want to go all the way, maybe about halfway. So we're going to reach into Cocoa Taxi, and we're going to apply that right next to that goldish yellow, right in the middle center. We're going to pat that color on, and then we're going to blend it out and blend it forward. Next, we're going to go into the Alamar palette again and get that Guantanamera color, which is like a red, brown, and we're going to stamp that to the edge of the corner, well, the outer V, and you're going to stamp that on, and you're going to blend it a little bit forward, kind of like you're making a linear line, and then you're going to start blending it out in the end, just like so. Next, you're going to apply a liquid liner or gel liner, and you're going to start from the front and pull back. You can do it as thick as you like, or needs your preference. I find that liquid liner works the best. It's just easier to handle. So start from the front and pull and pull. You can use your fluffy brush or a dense brush, and we're going to grab Cafecito from the Alamar Cosmetics palette, just a darker brown, and we're going to apply that to the inner corners of the inner V. When you apply that, you're going to blend that out with your blending brush, back and forth, and you don't want to go too high, just stay in on the inner corners of the V. So you're going to grab that Cafecito color again, the same color you use in your inner corner V, and you're going to start stamping it under your waterline, and you're just going to start packing it on there and then blending that out, pulling towards the front. Now if you're missing color, you might want to go back and grab some more eyeshadow, and if it looks a little bit too smudged out and don't worry about it, you can just grab a makeup wipe and remove it a little bit and clean it up with a Q-tip, and that's completely fine. And go back over it again with your makeup brush. So just blending it out while adding more color, and then we're almost done, guys. And we're going to add some mascara. You could do your lower lash. So we're about done, and then we're going to add some lashes, and these are Corset by Kiss. Now this is what it looks like at the end of the product, and I really hope you like this fall look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Check out my Instagram, I'll drop down the link below. Make sure to leave a comment and press the notification button for future videos, and I'll see you next time.